Hi everybody, Annelie van Wyk speaking, grandmother of two, cancer survivor, senior citizen, you name it, that's me. But anyway, all excited to be with you today and to share with you my power lead system. I want to tell you a little bit more about it and show you how it works. And this system, it had just been payday for everybody and everybody is smiling wide again. And some of us has got small money, some of us got big money. It all depends how long we are in the game. But the secret of the game is it's not easy, it is not difficult. The secret of it all is to be consistent. If you're consistent, you're going to make it. It doesn't help you doing it for 30 days or 60 days and say, oh, I haven't got results yet, and then get out of the system and go and look for something else. To be 60 days in that, and before you can have a rollover and start making money, you're out of it again. So that doesn't work that way. So in Power Lead system, it's the same as everything else. Like you went to preschool, you went to primary school, you went to high school, you went to varsity, and you started at the bottom, starting to work again. Got to learn everything again. So same with the business, online business. Got to start crawling, first in nappies, then crawling, then starting to stand up, then starting to walk and stumble and fall again. But stand up, keep on standing up, and you're going to be running, and you're going to be climbing, and you're going to be smiling. And that's the idea of all of this, to be smiling, to get that income, and to make the money, residual income, and you're going to be smiling. The commissions are very good, and we get paid weekly by Priceless Possibilities. And you've got the option of having the money paid to, you can order a debit card through them. Or if you're in America, you can have your money transfer directly to your bank account. Or it's in the system and you transfer it directly to your bank account. As easy as that. Every week, consistently. So, all I can say, this is a real business with real commissions. There's a few levels. Let's go to the screen and we're going to talk about the levels, and then you're going to hear about the commissions too. So let me just change my screen. All right, there we are. This is the beginning. First, we got our easy buttons and our companies I'll promote and how to get help. Obviously, with this system, you can use this system for PLS as your primary business, or you can have your own business, Weight Watchers, or weight loss programs, marketing programs, anything where you need a business. In any business where you need leads and traffic, because traffic makes your business. It makes it or breaks it. In our Power Lead system, you can first buy your domain, which is $12.99 per annum. Then you become an affiliate, and to become an affiliate costs you $53, of which you get a $20 residual income of anybody on your downline that joins PLS. The idea is to get all these little blockies green. You add your picture, then that one becomes green. When you join on your diamond level group, the diamond level group costs $147, and that qualifies you for unlimited $100 commissions. When you go to the platinum level, it costs you $497, and then you are ready for unlimited $400 commissions. So one diamond member and one platinum member, and you've got your $500 a day. So you must just be patient, because the ball must be rolling and rolling and rolling. You've got to get the word out everywhere outside there. And the main thing of this story is you just actually need 4 members, 4 consistent, motivated, focused people in your downline, and they will get people under them and under them and under them. And that's how the ball is rolling. It snowballs all the way. Now, that's our front page. I'm not going to spend too much time on this one. You get awesome training in this program. let's first go to the training box. When you're in the beginning, on the gold level, you get the endless free leads. Endless free leads helps you to tell you all about how to find leads, how to create them, how to build your business of your dreams with this with the leads. When you go to your the diamond level, the Social Profit Academy gets added in, and when you go to the platinum level, you get the Master Traffic Academy, this Power VIP. You get all these, all of them. Oh, they're all gone. All of this is, all of this are to your use and training and everything else to teach you exactly how to work on YouTube, how to make your how to advertise and promote your business on Facebook, social media. It is everything. There is so much training. It is just unbelievable. You've got your account. In your account, you've got your e-wallet. It will tell you your commissions, prediction report, what it looks like. Every time you qualify for a commission, it will show there, and there you can see exactly how much you will be earning at the end of the week. Promote your business. Here we've got online and offline traffic, generation ideas. Let's just go on to traffic online. Let me show you. On that one, we've got, for example, text links that can be dropped on any website, and it's all your text links that's already pre-written for you. You've got your email swipes, you've got banners. Let's go into a banner and go and see what's going on there. Okay, let's go to the banners. Can't see the banner. See, there's my inspired funds. That's my domain name. Update page. There's top tools. All different ones you can use and how you can adjust it and change it and do your thing. All different type of things for different type of banners. Long banners, wide banners. Well, you can see what's going on. That is all to help promote your business. Okay, you've got hangouts, you've got live hangouts, training. Here you can see all the lively replays of hangouts. Hangouts are on Wednesday, we've got a hangout. On Thursday, there's training. On Sunday nights, there's training. And then all the replays are here for you to be able to see and catch up if you're not weren't able to watch it. There you can see replay. All right, more replays. Marketing, you see everything changes. I went now into that one option. And now we've got schedules, replays, marketing, system videos, how to promote your business on YouTube. All of it. Part 1, part 2. And the ladies carry on and she's telling you everything you need to know. So a very nice system for a very nice price. A little bit for you to pay, yes, you must make your investment. But the price I'm talking about is commission. Sorry. This is my second language, so I'm not so brilliant at that. Anyway, I just wanted to share all of this with you and speak to you soon. And I hope that you are going to be motivated because I am so excited every morning to come to my office to do my live Facebook. I almost died when I thought I should do it in the beginning to get out of my comfort zone. But once you get out of that comfort zone, it's great. It's exciting. It is, you can't wait to do it. I was standing this morning in the chicken den with the chickens. My Jack Russells were with me in the chicken den. And the chickens, I went to take out some nice free range eggs. But it's just, you want to keep on doing this. This is so nice to talk to all the people and to do your advertising, and it's just exciting. It's thrilling. It is thrilling, I can tell you. But anyway, you decide what you want to do. Let's put it this way. Polet system has been in the market for about 8 or 9 years already. Never a complaint, no complaints about it. Everybody's happy. that stays consistent. It doesn't help you doing something today and tomorrow you skip and the day thereafter you do it and then you skip again. Do it in the beginning, every day. Push yourself, do it if you're not excited. Get your mindset right and become excited. And after that, you will become mechanical. And once your ball is on the roll and everything's out there and you're doing your traffic, you're gonna be in charge of your time, and you will be able to go enjoy, and you can go on your cruises, and you can go on your holidays, and you can spend time with your kids. And that's the nice thing of working from home. You can spend time with anybody who you want to do for as long as you want to do, and that's called freedom, financial freedom, and time freedom. But it was nice speaking to you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Okay, love you and leave you. Bye. I forgot to say, please click on the link button at the bottom, the like, and please subscribe to my channel and follow my growth. I'll appreciate it. Thank you.